Munnar is a beautiful hill station in India. It's in the Western Ghats mountain range. Munnar is famous for its lush green tea plantations. The cool air and scenic views make it a perfect getaway. Imagine waking up to the aroma of fresh tea leaves. Munnar was once a summer resort for British rulers. Today it's a popular destination for tourists worldwide. Whether you are a nature lover or an adventure seeker, Munnar has something special in store for you. Come and discover the magic of Munnar. Munnar is a paradise for nature lovers. The most captivating sight is the sprawling tea plantations. These emerald green carpets cover the hills, creating a breathtaking view. You can even visit a tea factory to learn about tea production. For wildlife enthusiasts, Ervikulam National Park is a must-visit. It is home to the endangered Nilgiri tahr. You might also spot other animals like elephants and deer. Another attraction is the Anamudi Peak, the highest peak in South India. A trek to the top offers stunning views of the surrounding valleys. The people of Munnar are warm and welcoming. Take a stroll through the local market to experience their culture. You'll find colorful spices, fresh fruits and handmade crafts. Don't forget to try the local cuisine. Indulge in traditional Kerala dishes like appam and stew or puttu and kadala curry. The flavors are unique and delicious. For a refreshing drink, try the locally grown tea. It's an experience you won't forget. The best time to visit Munnar is from October to May when the weather is pleasant. You can reach Munnar by road or air. The nearest airport is in Kochi, about 110 kilometers away. When packing, remember to carry comfortable walking shoes, warm clothes and sunscreen. Book your accommodation in advance, especially during peak season. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable adventure.